Hello, and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be tucking in some cuttings to protect them for winter. I'm going to be planting them in one of my raised planters to protect the roots so that they will continue growing next year. So what I'm tucking in is Annabelle Hydrangea and some cedar trees. Now the cedars are only about this tall, but I was given them in the spring and I planted them up into some compost and they've been growing all summer, and I want to continue growing them on for next year, and then maybe in a couple of years they can get planted out into the landscape, because this much they're just going to get lost. Anyways, join me and let's get to it. I've already started with the hydrangea cuttings and I'm planting them in. So what you want to do is dig them in so that they're covered right up to here. And this should insulate the roots from the winter and help protect them. Here I've got a couple of Bridalwreath Spireas that I made cuttings of, and they're growing pretty well. I was surprised. This is my first time doing them, and we'll see how they turn out in the spring. These are the little baby cedars that I was given in the spring, and they grew from seed at my friend's house. So what I'm going to do is dig them in. Oh, this is a tight fit, but if I bring the soil up around it, and on this side too, maybe I'll move them over a bit. Put some soil up here just to insulate it. Cedars are pretty hardy. And since these were started as seeds and not cuttings, I think they'll be okay. So I'm going to push this up. And push it back. I'm not too worried about the cedars. They're so hardy. This is, I don't think you can see it, but there are two little trees in here that I started from seed. I'm just going to tuck it in a bit like that. So you can use these techniques on any perennials that you've bought in the sales in the fall, any shrubs. Put them in the ground, put the soil around them, or if you're like me, you have a raised planter area, put them in that, bring the dirt around them. Don't fill up the top of the plant with dirt, that's just gonna not be good. Keep them hydrated until the freeze, and next spring they should perk up. Thanks for watching, and join me in the next video. Bye! Also, today is Halloween, and it is 18 glorious degrees, and it just feels so wonderful. I've been cleaning my house, getting ready for snuggling in, and I think this is the perfect time to snuggle in your plants. Bye!